Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today we're gonna do a quick review about basic Shopify plan, guys. Is it worth it in general? So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first that we need to do, guys, is of course to go to Shopify, right? So as you all can see right here, we are actually using me and my team on my channel, guys, are using basic Shopify plan. So what can you expect right here, guys, is basically if you're a beginner, you can get a 7-day free trial, guys, and everything you get there, you get with a basic plan. So in just a moment, let's just go to the Shopify right here, guys. Shopify your stores, okay, here, and let's see the pricing. When I say basic plan, guys, I'm talking about the first plan that pops up right here. It's this basic, most popular one, and after 7 days free trial was the very best thing, guys. You can get your first month for free, just for you to understand how everything works, guys, to understand your store, to understand your customers, your products, and everything. First month is for $1, and so it is Shopify plan right here for small teams, guys, and advanced as your business scales, guys, right here. And of course right here, available in a 1 or 3 year term, guys, plus for more complex businesses is $2,300 a month, guys, but you'll get into it, trust me. So right here we're using basic one, guys, and right here you can check it out, guys, how it looks like. Orders right here, drafts, abandoned checkouts, products right here, collections, inventory, and everything, customers and everything, analytics. You have analytics, of course, and right here you can see here is your online store. So I'm going to focus on that mostly because that's where is the biggest difference, for example, between the basic plan and right here between the starter one. So you can check it out. What do you get right here? Card rate starting at 2%, third-party payment providers. Not anything scary, guys. Standout features: 10 inventory locations, perfect, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, and POS Lite. And you can see you have some more features with this plan, specifically with this one, but we're not going to discuss that because this video is mostly focused on beginners, guys. So right here, as I said, this is your basic plan, and down below you can see what you can expect from a starter one. Right here I'm going to show you straight away, guys, because right here you can check it out. You have your own team. First team that will pop up will the Dawn team, guys, right here. I just customize it a little bit, so let me just show you down below. These are my teams right here that I use for my videos, guys. Dawn is here as well, guys, and you can check it out. We can find it with the team store and see the Dawn team, free ones, and let's check it. Right, refresh, send, spotlight, origin, Dawn. This is it. This is your basic team that you will get, guys, as in your basic plan. So it will all instantly pops up this team. But what I mentioned before, 7 days free trial is basically 7 days free trial for the basic plan, guys. And if you want to go with a starter plan that is just $5 a month, you will not get this. So right here you can see this is our team, guys. Down one right here, down below it's downloading, but as I said, you can see that I already used it, I already customized it, and you can already see right here my online store, how it looks like. This is just for the video purposes only. There is no products or anything, guys. This is just a fictional product and everything. So this is our pet store right here. You can see how it looks like. I made it only for the video just to show you how to do everything. You check out a video on our channel, but you can see right here you can publish this basic Dawn team, and this is your basic team that you will get with your basic Shopify plan. So you can customize it right here, guys, and see how it looks like. And this is it. This is everything you get right here, guys, of course without a product, but this is how it looks like. You have videos on our channel, how to switch banner, how to add your logo, how to change footer and header, of course, how to add some links, how to add I don't know, slideshow, and so on and so on. Down below you can always add a new section from rich text, collection list, feature products, and so on. You have 17 sections to add, which is more than enough if you're just getting started with your business. And that's my point right here. That's more than enough for you guys, and it's more than enough. The basic plan is more than enough for you. And if we go right here again up, press on the Dawn team, guys, right here, customize, for example, right here, and you can check it out how this everything looks like. But here's the template. You can check it out. Slideshow right here. Let's just delete it. Featured products right here, title and everything, guys. Add section, featured collection, featured collection, that's right. For example, we have our collection down below, and let's go back and delete this one. And this is basically everything that you will get with the starter plan. You will not have an opportunity to use team. You will not have an opportunity, guys, to have a banner, to have a logo. You will only have this link to your website, to your marketplace that will only show your products. That's it. no links, no, I don't know, pictures, videos, slideshows and stuff like that, nothing with starter plan. And that's why I said starter is not good enough. Even if you're a beginner, guys, you need to go with the basic. I mean, that's my recommendation for you. And the very best thing, first 7 days for free, then 1 month, guys, for $1. And keep in mind that that's approximately 37-38 days for you to understand how to make your marketplace, how to design it, where to sell your products, what products to sell. And you saw moments before, you have 10 locations, guys, so that's more than plenty of options for you, plenty of benefits and solutions. So please just think about it. As I said, you can go back, leave page, of course, you can go back and see pricing, but my recommendation, that basic plan is more than enough for you, because everything that you need as a beginner on Shopify is already in basic plan. So just go with it and write down in the comment section what you think about it. Have you tried it, guys? Have you maybe using it? What are your problems, questions, something like that? And I will try to answer to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.